The Enerpac XA-Series is a line of air-driven hydraulic pumps designed to provide safe, efficient, and high-performance operation for a wide range of hydraulic tools. With a dual-stage design, it delivers precise control over speed and pressure, making it suitable for applications requiring high forces in demanding environments. One standout feature of the XA-Series is its ergonomic, variable speed foot pedal, which allows operators to control flow and pressure accurately, hands-free, enhancing both productivity and safety. The pump's high-efficiency air motor provides quick, consistent performance while minimizing air consumption, making it more energy efficient than traditional models. This is particularly useful in industrial environments where compressed air is available but power sources are limited. The XA-Series pumps are also built to be durable and reliable, with robust aluminum and steel construction that withstands harsh working conditions. These pumps are ideal for jobs like pressing, lifting, and pulling, often used in construction, manufacturing, and maintenance settings. In addition, Enerpac has focused on minimizing maintenance needs. The XA-Series has an easy-access design for maintenance, and the quality components extend the pump's lifespan. The Maxima Caromax 800 is a robust, high-performance water filter system designed for rigorous water purification needs, whether in industrial settings, agriculture, or large-scale residential use. It's engineered to handle high volumes, filtering up to 800 liters per hour, making it a perfect fit for environments that demand reliable, continuous clean water. One of the key features of the Caromax 800 is its advanced multi-stage filtration system. It removes a wide range of contaminants, from sediment and heavy metals to harmful chemicals and microorganisms, delivering exceptionally pure water quality. This versatility allows it to meet strict water quality standards, which is critical in sectors where water purity impacts productivity or health, such as in food processing or healthcare facilities. Built with durability in mind, the Caromax 800 uses corrosion-resistant stainless steel and high-quality seals to extend its lifespan, even under demanding conditions. This design also makes it low maintenance, reducing downtime and operational costs for businesses. The system is easy to install and integrates well with other water management systems, offering customizable options for varying water sources and quality requirements. With its efficient operation, the Caromax 800 not only provides cleaner water but also conserves resources, operating with minimal energy and reduced water wastage. The Optimo Drywall Automatic Taper is a versatile and efficient tool used in drywall installations to speed up the process of applying joint compound and embedding tape on drywall seams. Built with precision engineering, the Optimo Taper allows drywall professionals to achieve consistent, high-quality results, reducing the need for manual taping. Its durable, lightweight aluminum construction makes it easy to handle, even on larger jobs, while a finely tuned pump mechanism ensures smooth compound flow and even application across seams. The Optimo Taper's easy-to-use trigger system enables precise control, allowing users to adjust compound flow as needed, ensuring minimal mess and maximum accuracy. The Minova SP-08 Temp Control Hot Wire Foam Cutter is a high-precision tool designed for efficiently cutting foam materials, including expanded polystyrene, EPS, extruded polystyrene, XPS, and other soft foams. Ideal for professional model makers, hobbyists, and architects, this cutter offers precise control for creating intricate shapes and designs. The SP-08 features adjustable temperature control, allowing users to select the optimal wire heat based on foam thickness and density. This minimizes mess, creating clean cuts without crumbling or melting residue. The device's lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Equipped with a stainless steel cutting wire, the SP-08 provides consistent durability and even heating. The tool includes a stable base and adjustable arm to allow for angled or freeform cuts, making it versatile for a range of creative projects. Introducing the CL-1000 Clean Laser Ablation Tool, a state-of-the-art solution for surface cleaning and preparation across various industries. This tool uses a high-powered laser to remove rust, paint, and contaminants with unmatched precision, efficiency, and without the need for harmful chemicals or abrasives. The CL-1000 is equipped with advanced fiber laser technology that delivers adjustable power levels to suit different materials and applications. Whether you're working on metals, glass, or ceramics, the laser can be finely tuned to provide just the right amount of cleaning intensity, ensuring that no base material is damaged in the process. Unlike traditional cleaning methods, this laser ablation tool offers a highly eco-friendly solution. It eliminates the need for secondary waste disposal, as there are no byproducts other than the ablated contaminants. Plus, the CL-1000 requires minimal maintenance thanks to its durable construction and low energy consumption. Designed with ease of use in mind, this laser tool is lightweight, portable, and can be integrated into automated systems, making it an ideal choice for industries ranging from automotive to aerospace. The Teslong TD450S is a high-performance digital inspection camera designed to provide clarity and precision in hard-to-reach areas. With its 5-inch IPS screen, the TD450S offers high-resolution visuals, making it ideal for inspecting pipes, machinery, automotive components, or even household maintenance tasks. It features a 5.0-megapixel HD camera with a 0.2-inch diameter, perfect for tight spaces without compromising image quality. This camera is capable of capturing detailed images and videos at 1944p, ensuring that even the smallest details are visible. One of the standout features of the Teslong TD450S is its dual-lens design, which allows users to switch between a front and a side camera with a simple press of a button. This flexibility lets you capture different angles in one inspection without adjusting the device. The probe is IP67 waterproof, which means it can be submerged in water up to a certain depth, making it perfect for plumbing or HVAC inspections. The TD450S also includes 6 adjustable LED lights on the camera tip to illuminate dark areas, and the screen offers anti-glare properties for viewing under bright lighting conditions. With a built-in 3,500 mAh rechargeable battery, the camera provides up to 5 hours of continuous operation, so you won't need to worry about frequent recharging during longer tasks. The orange screw ground anchor is an innovative tool designed for securely anchoring items outdoors in virtually any terrain. Made from 100% recycled materials, this lightweight and durable anchor is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone needing a reliable way to secure tents, pets, canopies, and even vehicles. Each anchor has a unique corkscrew design that maximizes holding power by twisting deep into the ground. Unlike traditional stakes, it doesn't require any extra tools for installation. Just insert the included clear drive tool through the top loop and twist it down. This design not only provides superior grip, even in loose or sandy soil, but it also makes installation easy for any user. Simply twist, and you're set. What sets the orange screw apart is its strength. It can withstand high tension, holding up to hundreds of pounds depending on soil type. Made in the USA, it's crafted to resist bending or breaking even in challenging conditions, making it a reliable choice for extreme weather. Plus, the bright orange color ensures high visibility, so you won't lose sight of it, whether at the beach, in a forest, or your backyard. When you're ready to pack up, it's just as easy to remove. The orange screw comes in various sizes to suit different needs, from securing small items to anchoring larger structures. So if you're looking for a reusable, sustainable solution to secure your outdoor essentials, the orange screw ground anchor delivers strength, durability, and ease of use. Introducing the Grappa DE625NE, a high-powered hydraulic cutter engineered for professional use in the demolition, construction, and rescue sectors. This tool is designed for cutting a wide range of materials, including steel rods, cables, and reinforcing bars, with precision and efficiency. The DE625NE offers a powerful cutting force, powered by an electric motor that drives a hydraulic piston, delivering consistent performance even in demanding situations. Constructed from high-strength materials, the DE625NE is built to withstand tough job sites and daily heavy-duty use. Its ergonomic design includes a handle optimized for comfortable grip and better control, reducing user fatigue during extended operation. One of its standout features is its portability. With a compact design and an electric power source, it is easy to transport, set up, and use in confined spaces or remote locations where other cutting tools might be impractical. Its precision blades ensure clean, efficient cuts, minimizing damage to surrounding materials. Whether you're in construction, demolition, or emergency rescue, the Eagle Grappa DE625N is a reliable, efficient tool, combining power and precision to help you get the job done quickly and safely.